corner. So this guy is trying to get around this taxi. This one's coming down the wrong side of the street. So this is a one-way street, and they're all going down this way. Some people come the other way, like this lady. And you also have this kind of cool stuff, this balcony. We'll zoom in on that, so everybody's. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. They're hanging out. Let's go to building 2. Golf courts. Those Korean tourists. See, she's been something. Not sure what she's getting. Parking maybe? This is all kind of spooky. You can see all these chairs. There's even little dogs in here. Foods. Plants. A lot of stuff in one little corner, you know? You can park your bikes here. Sidewalks are busy. Some people even try to walk in it. There's also bird cages. Tourists. Yes. Everybody's trying to get through there at the same time. And you have viewers up on the corner. Check it all out.